Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2017 Ram 2500 Heavy Duty, and it is gorgeous. Bed liner, bed cover, tow package. It is a manual, so you can take full control, and it has amazing features in its interior. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this black exterior color. You have your little ram head badge right there in the middle of your blacked out grille, and then you have your halogen headlamps, fog lamps below that, a front sensing system, and 2 tow hooks. This does have a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, so lots of power. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 20-inch blacked out alloy wheels. Again, super gorgeous. This could fall under our certification, and if it does, it would be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woodys. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information on that. You have your blacked out badging on the side, and then your side mirrors are powered and heated with towing mirrors on the side, and then you have these black tubular running boards to help you up in the front and the back seat. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats. You have that pattern insert in the middle, and they are heated, so super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls with your media controls on the back. Then looking at your 8.4-inch touchscreen media center brought to you by Uconnect, you have your radio options here, media options so you can connect your own music, controls for your heated seats and steering wheel. You also have your backup camera there, so you can see clearly behind your vehicle. You can line up your trailer with that. But this also has a cargo camera, so you can see into your bed. Then you have other apps with Uconnect here on these pages, and you have your climate controls. They are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And this has navigation, so you can get to your destination super easily, plug in an address, and then you have your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, make phone calls, and text messages. You have your radio, climate controls in button form, your sensing systems, it's got exhaust brake, your auxiliaries if you want to do some aftermarket stuff, you have your traction control and your trailer brake there, and then you have your 4-wheel drive transfer case on that side, 115 volt on the other, with a USB port and a 12 volt. This is a manual, like I said earlier, so you can take full control, and then you have lots of cup holders down there. Then looking up into your center console, you have a USB port, aux port, and a 12 volt. This does also fold up, so you can fit a third person in this front seat, and you have more room down below, so you have your CD insert right there as well. So looking up, you have your 911 assist, which is subscribable, your universal garage door openers, and your controls for your sunroof and your power sliding rear window. So it can let some nice air flow throughout the vehicle. This also has an Alpine Sound System for that amazing amplified sound. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You do have a cup holder armrest that can fold down with 2 cup holders, and there are 2 more on the floor. This is a bench seat, so you can easily lift that up. You can see those 2 cup holders there. And then you can fold that up. You have your subwoofer there, storage space on this side, and you have a flat surface that can fold out with that. You also have your 2 storage compartments that are in the floor, and you can take those out, clean them off, and slide them right back in. So very convenient. Then making your way along the side, you do have these lockable Ram box storage units. So you can easily store stuff in here and keep it in here. So if you want to keep some tools in here, you can keep them locked and safe, but it does have a drain in the bottom. So if you want to put ice in there or something, liquid, it will just drain out. So you also have your 4x4 off-road decal on the side and your badging on the back for that. And you have a rear sensing system, and your tow package is down below with your hookups. So looking into this bed, you have your nice bed cover up top, bed liner, this spray in, super nice. And we have that cargo divider and some tie-down hooks on the sides. So overall, amazing truck. I love the power under that hood, everything back here with your tow package, your protection with their cover and your liner, and also just everything in the interior with your heated seats and that amazing media center. So if you want to see this Ram 2500 or any of our other trucks, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.